A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is unlearning from the world. Ladies and gentlemen, human progress has long been measured by what is acquired: knowledge, wealth, power, speed. Yet across civilizations that endured, another intelligence operated quietly alongside learning: the wisdom of unlearning, not as rejection of growth, but as refinement of purpose. When excess was released, alignment returned between human systems and the design of life itself. Human life, as shaped by the master intelligence of nature, was never meant to be scarce in its essentials. Planet Earth was endowed with abundance sufficient to sustain every life with dignity: food, water, shelter, care, and continuity, so that no individual is deprived of the opportunity to fulfill the deeper purpose of existence. That purpose, across cultures and eras, converges on a simple rhythm: to receive energy, to generate energy, and to share energy positively, purposefully, and progressively. Modern nations, within their histories and capacities, have sought to honor this design. Policies emerged to secure the biological and psychological foundations of life across the human life cycle, from childhood, nourishment and education, to productive adulthood, to dignified aging, where governance respected these natural stages rather than compressing them into economic metrics. Societies demonstrated higher resilience, social trust, and well-being. Science now reinforces this truth with clarity. Biology confirms that human health depends on stable inputs over time, not episodic excess. Psychology shows that meaning and motivation flourish when life stages are supported rather than rushed or neglected. Public health and economic data repeatedly reveal that societies investing in early life care, preventive health, lifelong learning, and elder dignity outperform those focused solely on acceleration and output. Some nations progressed quietly by unlearning distortions: overconsumption mistaken for prosperity, competition mistaken for excellence, growth detached from human capacity. They recalibrated toward sufficiency before surplus, prevention before correction, and systems that distribute opportunity rather than concentrate advantage. These choices did not weaken ambition, they stabilized it. Ancient wisdom anticipated this convergence. Dharma was never moral instruction, it was systemic alignment. It recognized that when human effort flows with natural order, energy multiplies. When it resists, energy dissipates. Civilizations faltered not from lack of intelligence but from forgetting this balance. What's the way forward? The path ahead does not call for uniform models but reflective governance. Each nation is invited to ask, not in judgment but in clarity. A. Are basic human needs assured across every life stage? B. Do systems enable individuals to receive, generate, and share energy constructively? And C. What inherited assumptions must be unlearned to restore balance? Unlearning is not retreat, it is governance maturity. When policy aligns with biological reality, psychological well-being, and social rhythm, progress becomes sustainable rather than extractive. Acting in dharma is not restraint, it is precision. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the future of humanity will be shaped less by how much is built and more by how wisely life is supported. True intelligence recognizes that abundance exists to serve purpose, not excess. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna offers a timeless measure of such mastery. Balance is excellence in action. To unlearn from the world is to remember how life was meant to flow so that every human being across every nation is enabled to live fully, contribute meaningfully, and pass forward a civilization aligned with life itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.